This is the month, Purushottam Brata month, very, very important. And another is Chaturmasya Brata. We are observing Chaturmasya Brata. Again, this month has come Purushottam Brata month. In normal way, people are telling Adhika Masha, Mal Masha. But as per the Vaishnava philosophy, this is the month every 3 years after once is coming. And Bhagavan Sri Krishna Chandra, he told, you have to follow this month as per Vaishnava philosophy, Purushottam Brata month. Arthat, Bhagavan Sri Hari Purushottam Bhagavan, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And other the month, other year, as per the philosophy, all the peoples they are following to devatas, graha, nakshatra, star, planet, whatever tithi, nakshatra. There are the demigods and goddesses. After following their footsteps, people are performing their karmas, nitya karma or bhakti karma. But this is the special month, Sri Purushottam Brata month. Bhagavan Sri Hari, once he told to the devotees and this Adhika Masha, you are coming after 3 years, 3.5 years, you are coming in this world, Purushottam Brata month. I am the Purushottam Bhagavan. Whoever follow the pure bhakti or dan, dhan, japam, Bhagavad Katha Parayanam or Vaishnav Seva, Harinam Sankirtan, Srimurti Seva, all whatever the related with the Bhagavan Sri Krishna, thousands, lakhs, crores, infinity time, they receive the blessing from me. Therefore, Purushottam Brata month, it is very, very important for the Vaishnavas and pure-hearted devotees. Societies, people, what they are doing, dan, dhan, jap, tap, they are for punya. After reducing their papam, they are liking to receive the punyam. When papas will there, then people cannot follow the bhakti karma or the devotional life. But when all papam will go away from their heart, then punya karma can do. Arthat, Swargiya Devata, Pitri Purushas, Swargiya Devatas, and ultimately Bhagavan Sri Krishna Chandra Seva can do. Therefore, this is the important. But in our Bhagavad Shastra it is telling, Khine Punna Martalokam Vishanti. Whatever people are thinking about papam, again they are thinking about punnam. Both are no the real existence in this world. Because world is changing and people's mind also changing, people also changing. Therefore, we have to follow the Bhakti Dharma, Bhagavad Dharma, Sanatan Dharma. We have to follow the footstep to Bhagavan Sri Chaitanya and Bhagavad philosophy. Arthat, whatever the eternal devotion we can achieve in our heart, with that eternal devotion, there the Janma Mrityu Chakra we can cross and we can return to Golok Vrindavan Dham, back to God, back to home. Our eternal abode is Golok Vrindavan Dham, there we can reach. Therefore, Purushottam Brata month, in societies people they never do the rituals, arthat smarta mat, karma kanda they never do. Shraddha, Griha Pravesh, Griha Nirman, Namkaran, Diksha Mantra, these are the things they never do. But what will do? For receiving the Prem Bhakti, they have to do Satsanga, Bhagavad Katha, Shravan, Kirtan, Vaishnav Seva, Harinam Sankirtan. These are the devotional parts they will follow. Bhagavan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his Shikshastakam, he told how people can achieve the ultimate goal. There is the Shikshastakam Slokam. Bhagavan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he explained in his life, in his own life, he has written the 8 stanza sloka. First slokam I am telling. Cheto darpana marjanam bhavaha davagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitarnam Vidya Bodhu Jivanam Anandambudi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purna Amrita Ashadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. This is the important slok Bhagavan Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has written in Shikshastakam. Cheto Darpanam Arjanam. We have to clean our heart. Chitta Darpan. Mirror. When dust will be there, we cannot see our face. As it is, when we cannot clean our heart, we cannot realize about the divinity of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Krishna is living in our heart. Krishna is living every human being's, every being's heart. Again, eternally Krishna is living in Vaikuntha Dham, Golok, Vrindavan Dham. Therefore, we have to clean our heart. Cheto Darpana Marjanam. This is the mirror, Chitta Darpan. We have to clean very, very perfectly. But how we can clean? Normal mirror, we can clean with the water or cloth. But this is the mirror, Chitta Darpan. How we can clean? Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasya Sakha Atma Nivedanam. Bhagavatat is telling ninefold devotion. After following ninefold devotion, we have to clean our heart. Cheto darpana marjanam, bhavamaha davagni nirvapanam. Whatever the forest fire it is burning, how it can eradicate, it can stop when rain will fall. As it is, our heart is burning due to the Tritap Jala, Adhyatik, Adibhautik, Adidoivik Tapa. How we can eradicate, how we can stop when we will do the Satsanga, Holy Association, when we will do Bhagavad Parayanam, when we will do Harinam Sankirtanam, when we will receive the Guru Vaishnava Bhagavad blessings. Then this is the Bhava Mahadavagni. Whatever fire, Tritap Jala, it is burning our heart, every being's heart. Then it can become cool. We can receive the pure bhakti. It will be very tranquil, pleasant. Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidya Bodhu Jivanam. When that full moon day, full moon night, when sunlight, moonlight will fall, then every place will become very bright and shining, pleasantness, coolness, very divine atmosphere. Like this, in our heart, when Kam, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madha, Matsurya will go away, when heart will be very clean, very pure, then in our heart we can realize this is the divine abode of Bhagavan Sri Krishna, and we can realize the Bhagavad Dharma, Vedic Dharma, Sanatan Dharma, Veda Dharma, Prem Bhakti Dharma. Prem will arise in our heart. Vidya Bodhu Jivanam. This is the Vidya Bodhu Jivan. Arthat God, with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, we can realize the divine knowledge about the Supreme Personality of God, Bhagavan Sri Hari. Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam. In every padam, every step, we can realize the Ananda, divine joy in our heart. Arthat, in Vaikuntha Dham, Golok Dham, Bhagavan Supreme Lord, every moment he is testing the divine joy, divine love with the Shato Sahasra Lakshmi, and by Golok Dham, Shato Ananta Koti Gop Gopikas, Shato Koti Gop Gopikas, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Chandra, along with the Radha and Gopikas, testing the divine joy, divine Prem Bhakti. Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam, Pratipadam, Purna Amrita Ashadanam, Sarvatma Snapanam, Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. In every padam, we can receive the Prem Bhakti, divine joy, divine love and affection on the lotus feet to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Whenever we are going to worship, 5 ways we have to receive the Prem Bhakti. Shanto Rasa, Dasya Rasa, Shakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya Rasa. Madhurya Rasa, it is the superior topmost level. Therefore, we are the Jiva soul. Whatever our duty, we have to follow the Bhagavad, we have to follow the Guru Vaishnava Bhagavad Pad Padma Seva, and we have to do Harinam. We have to make holy association. Then our heart, we can realize with the blessings of Bhagavan Sri Hari, we can realize the Prem Bhakti in our heart, and we can utter Harinam, Sankirtan, Japam, Bhagavad Seva, Guru Vaishnava Seva, and we can realize Vasundhaiva Kutumbakam, this whole universe, all the human, all the beings, they are our close. There will be no differences with the oneself and Bhagavan Sri Hari. We can realize all are the eternal children of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Because Sri Krishna is the Jagat Pita. Krishnang Bande Jagat Gurum. Jagater Pita Krishna Jena Bhaje Bab Pitriddohi Patokir Janme Janme Tab. Bhagavan Sri Krishna Chandra, he is our eternal father, he is the eternal master, he is the guru, he is our all, he is the be all and end all. He is the beginning and he is the end. Whole cosmic world, it is the divine form of Bhagavan Sri Hari. Therefore, we are living here in this Bhuloka or Sargoloka Chaturdash planet. Everywhere Bhagavan Sri Hari is living. Virata Rupam he is living. Again, he is living with his own form, divine form. Supreme Personality of Godhead Bhagavan Sri Krishna is living in our heart. It is the Vrindavan Dham, Golok Vrindavan Dham. We can see Bhagavan Sri Krishna with Prem Bhakti Bhava, Prem Bhava, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Therefore, when Bhagavan Krishna departed from this world, he told to Uddhava, O Uddhava, you are my close devotee, there is Bhagavatam, my whole divine life, divine characteristic, divine lila. All bhaktas will follow this Bhagavatam and then they can receive the divine joy. They can see me, they can realize me, they can realize my present. Because I am the Supreme Lord Bhagavan Sri Krishna, everywhere I am living. Wherever bhakta like to see me, they can see everywhere. They can see in their heart, they can see everywhere, everybody's heart. They can see in Vaikuntha Dham, they can see Golok Vrindavan Dham, Bhauma Vrindavan Dham, everywhere Bhagavan Sri Hari's existence they can realize. Therefore, we are following the Bhagavad Dharma. This is the Purushottam Vrataman. When we will follow the Bhakti Dharma, Navavidha Bhakti, Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasya Sakha Atma Nivedanam. Like this, ninefold devotion when we will follow, 100,000, infinity time more blessings we can receive in this month. Therefore, Purushottam month, Bhagavan Purushottam, Sri Hari, Sri Krishna, he is the worshipable deity for whole the universe. Therefore, in this Bhuloka, we are following Purushottam Vrataman, but normally they are saying Malamasam or Adhika Masam, extra month. Every 3 years after this 1 month will be increased. Therefore, all Vaishnavas and pure-hearted devotees, they are following Purushottam Vrataman with following Bhagavad Katha, Vaishnava Seva, Holy Association and Harinam Sankirtan and Shraddha Srimurti Sevan with firm faith. Therefore, our Gauriya Vaishnava Acharya, Jagadguru Prabhupada Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur and his associate Srila Bhakti Vilas Tirtha Goswami Maharaj and our Guru Pad Padma, our Guru Vargas, they are following this Bhagavad Dharma, Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma. It is the eternal Dharma. We can receive the eternal blessing. We can reach the divine abode to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Sri Hari. Therefore, today we are having the very auspicious that chance to deliver Bhagavad Katha, Srimad Bhagavad Katha with the association to Vaishnavas. When we will follow this Bhakti Dharma, Prem Dharma, our life will be successful and eternally we can reach to Golok Vrindavan Dham. How long we will alive in this world? We have to do good for ourselves and we have to good for everybody. But what is the good? That is Prem Bhakti Dharma, Seva Dharma, Bhagavad Dharma we have to follow. With this, I am concluding my small Harikatha. Vancha kalpatarubhascha kripa sindhubheva cha patitanang pavanebhyo vaishnavabhyo namo namo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.